victory!
Oh, are you okay?
Don't worry, I'm still good.
Ha 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 ha! How may I serve you?
The big stone stuck in here.
Go! 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 Can you help me?
Yes! All right!
Thank you very much, my benefactor.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Go! Go! Go!
Thank you very, very much.
Dispose of them.
I can do this. Just leave it to me. Okay, moving now.
Yes!
I want to fill up with gas!
It will take a lot of money. Please pay attention to the measurements at the gas station.
Wait until she fills the tank and we'll run away.
That's what I'm also talking about!
You guys come down and pay me.
Oh!
Will you stop for me?
Stop! Are you okay?
No, he just crashed into our barrier.
Goodbye! Stop!
Didn't you see me passing by?
Do you think you can run?
No, we surrender.
Hello, come here and give me a hand. We need to pull them up.
Okay, let's do it now.
Yeah, bro!
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Hooray!
We apologize for our recent action.
Go to jail and repent.
Go! 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 Go!
Goodbye!
Please bring him to me.
Okay, I'll do it right now. Done, goodbye.
I have injuries all over my body.
I I have finished treating you. Let's go! This deceleration bar is too high. Oh my God!
Hey, what happened?
This speed bar is too high for me to pass.
Let me help you.
I can't do it alone.
Can you call someone to help me?
Hello, can you come here and help me?
Okay, I'll be there soon.
Yeehaw! I couldn't get him out of there.
I'll help you pull him up. Get ready.
Okay, let's start.
My mission is done. Goodbye.
Thank you, everyone. I'm leaving.
Hello, I need to replace the speed reducer.
Okay, I'll be right there.
Come on, let's go. Hey, wait for me.
Go, 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 go!
All right.
Okay.
Please help me replace it.
We will replace it now.
Yeehaw!
Yes, yes, yes!
Oh, yeah. Yeah, buddy.
Oh, wow. Goodbye. This must be a precious tree. I had to saw it in half because the space in the car wasn't enough.
All right. Yes. No!
Huh?
Unbelievable!
Hello.
Someone is cutting down trees illegally.
Okay, we will arrest him immediately.
Goodbye, I'm leaving now.
We need to hurry.
Oh! Oh my God!
What? Really?
Is he hiding down here? Did you find him?
No, he ran away and dropped it.
Next time, I won't let him escape.
Have you caught him yet?
We couldn't find him.
Okay, I'll go check right away.
The police are gone.
Oh, so he was hiding under the lake. I saw him at the lake shore. Please capture him.
While he sleeps, go ahead and capture him.
can't escape us. Surrender quickly. I do not forgive your actions.
I'm sorry. I will bear all punishment.